Imagine you wake up today with only 100 rupees in your pocket and a long list of things you want: food, entertainment, maybe even saving for something bigger. You stand there thinking, what should I choose? And just like that, without realizing it, you've entered the world of economics. Economics isn't just about money, markets, or governments. It's about you, your choices, and the reality that no matter who you are, your resources are limited, but your wants, they never stop growing. This one idea, scarcity, is the foundation of everything in economics. You don't have unlimited time, unlimited money, or unlimited energy. And because of that, every single decision you make comes with a hidden cost. This is where things get interesting. Let's say you decide to watch your favorite show instead of studying. Feels harmless, right? But economics says you just paid a price, not in money, but in opportunity. That missed study time, that's your opportunity cost. It's what you gave up to get something else. And here's the twist. Every choice in life works exactly like this. Every yes is secretly a no to something else. Now, zoom out from your personal life to the entire world. Every country, every society faces three powerful questions. What should we produce? How should we produce it? And who gets it? Think about it. Should a country invest more in hospitals or luxury malls? Should goods be made by machines or human workers? And once everything is produced, who actually gets to enjoy it? These questions shape economies, industries, and even your future. But to understand how decisions are made on a smaller level, we step into microeconomics, the study of individuals, small businesses, and everyday markets. Why does the price of petrol go up? Why do people buy less when prices rise? That's microeconomics at work. Then there's macroeconomics, the bigger picture. This is where we look at entire countries. Why are people struggling to find jobs? Why do prices keep rising every year? Why does the economy grow or sometimes crash? These are macro questions, and they affect millions of lives at once. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in economics, the invisible battle between demand and supply. Demand is simple. It's how badly people want something. Supply is how much of it is available. And here's where it gets almost like a game. When prices go up, people usually buy less. That's demand reacting. But producers, they see higher prices as an opportunity to make more profit, so they increase supply. On the other hand, when prices drop, demand rises, but supply falls. And somewhere in the middle of this tug of war lies the equilibrium price, the point where buyers and sellers finally agree. That's the price you see in the market. No one controls it directly, yet it controls everything. Now take this idea and expand it across entire systems. Different countries organize their economies in different ways. In some places, individuals and businesses have the freedom to produce and sell whatever they want. This is capitalism, where the market leads the game. In other systems, the government controls major resources and decisions. That's socialism. And then there are mixed economies, where both the government and private sectors share control. Most countries today fall somewhere in between, constantly balancing power and freedom. But no matter the system, every economy faces real-world challenges. Inflation is one of them, the silent force that slowly eats away at your money's value. Have you ever noticed how things that were cheap a few years ago feel expensive now? That's inflation working in the background. Then there's unemployment, people who are ready to work but can't find jobs. And finally, GDP, the total value of everything a country produces. It's often used as a scorecard for economic health. A rising GDP usually means growth, opportunity, and progress, but it doesn't always guarantee that everyone benefits equally. And that's the deeper side of economics. It's not just numbers and graphs. It's about real people, real struggles, and real decisions that shape lives every single day. So when you really think about it, economics isn't some distant subject taught in classrooms. It's the story of human behavior under pressure. It's about making the best possible choice when you can't have it all. And maybe the most powerful lesson of all is this: life itself is built on trade-offs. You can't escape them. But once you understand them, you gain control. Because at the end of the day, economics is simply this: the art of choosing wisely in a world where you can't have it all.